Are you tired of the same mundane fragrance reviews all the time and you're looking for something new, something fresh, and you want to be put onto something that you just want to go out and buy because you're getting that itch, you know what I'm saying, where you're like, I gotta get something? If that's the case, stay tuned. What's going on, guys? I'm Joshua, as always, and this is our channel, Scentsense. To all my loyal subscribers and the ones that continue to join the Scentsense crew each and every day, guys, salute. And to all you new people, maybe checking the channel out for the very first time, I have been officially endorsed by my boy, Big Beard Business. That's why I got this handy shirt. No, I just went online and I picked it up because I thought it was dope because he always wears one, and I thought it would be cool to have a t-shirt because, you know, I like to support my boy. But I bet you if you asked him, he'd definitely tell you I'm swell. Today we'll be talking about a brand new fragrance that hasn't gotten a lot of publicity in the YouTube community, but I'm gonna tell you right now, it's dope. I've only seen one review of this fragrance, and it's from my boy Cuba over at Cubano, and I'm telling you that this fragrance, in the words of Cuba, is gonna kind of be a big deal. The fragrance we're talking about today is Ovation. Sean Crenshaw's Ovation is a spectacular fragrance because, you know what, it's different, it's unique, but at the same time, it feels like you've worn it before and you've been wearing it your whole life. Now, before I get into the fragrance, let's go ahead and check out the presentation and the bottle. As you can see with the box, it's very minimalistic. On the very back, it says, "Every man deserves an ovation." For you people who don't know what an ovation is, it's kind of like a round of applause, AKA every man's working hard to get where they're trying to go, and you, my friend, deserve to smell good. And you know what? That's what this does. Let's go ahead and open up this bad boy so you can check out the bottle. It's gone. So as you can see, it's a pretty cool bottle, very simplistic. Just like the bottle, it says Ovation for Men, Eau de Parfum by Sean Crenshaw. Sean Crenshaw's a pretty big deal in Atlanta. He's a really suave cat. He's a really cool guy who tries to push and motivate other black people in the community and in the world to do big things. And to be honest, clearly I am Caucasian as hell, but the guy motivates me to want to be a better guy. And if that doesn't get you started in the morning, I don't know what does. Now, this bottle was sent to me for review, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you my honest thoughts of exactly what I think about this fragrance, so let's find out right now. Alright guys, out of the gates, it's got a very strong presence. I've worn this before. I can tell you that once it settles down, it gets more aquatic and softer. It does have a cashmere wood base, but it definitely gets brightened up by this lemon and this bergamot, and it's got a little bit of patchouli to give it a little bit of smokiness. It's a really, really well-balanced fragrance. It also has aquatic notes. I honestly don't know what the heck aquatic notes means, but apparently in the industry of fragrance, aquatic notes means it smells like water, I'm guessing. For an eau de parfum, guys, this fragrance lasts a very long time. I know that seems like it should automatically because it's EDP, but there's so many fragrances out there that just don't cut the mustard. This is not a little boy's fragrance. If you're looking for a younger guy's fragrance, go ahead and get you Invictus Aqua, Abercrombie & Fitch First Instinct. But if you want to smell like a man, and you want a woman to think you smell like a man, or if you're into it and you're a dude and you want a dude to think you smell like a man, but you know what? This will do it. At this size in a 50 ml presentation, the bottle costs $85 American. I don't know why I say American, because honestly, like, what other currency would I care about? Like Scandinavian money? I don't even know what Scandinavian money is. I got about 7 to 8 hours of longevity on my skin, and then about 1 to 2 hours of solid arm length projection. Then at about the 3-hour mark, it just tends to gravitate closer and closer to the skin. The longer it sits on the skin, the more those lemon notes and that bergamot note tends to rise to the top and meet up with those aquatic notes and make this mishmash of just a solid, clean, sophisticated fragrance. If you're looking to stand out from the crowd and not smell like everybody else, and you want to have a fragrance that'll do that, that's not named Dolce & Gabbana or Versace or Prada or whatever else is out there, this will definitely get the job done. All right, guys, that about does it for me. One lucky subscriber is gonna get this bottle because y'all know I like to give back. I'm gonna go ahead and give this bottle away to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do, disclaimers, is go ahead and subscribe to the channel. After you subscribe to the channel, go ahead and go over to Instagram, find Ovation for Men, and go ahead and follow them and give them a like or two. When it comes to the fragrance community, we should definitely support friends, and we should definitely support people who are trying to make it, because you know what? One day, you're gonna be trying to make it in some way, shape, or form, and you're gonna want somebody to give you a hand. If you go over to their Instagram, you'll definitely see a link where you can click on that link and you can go ahead and buy this fragrance if you're interested. And don't forget, guys, whoever wins this bad boy, all you gotta do is pay for the shipping. Thank you so much for sticking around for this brand new fragrance. Guys, I really am excited about it, and I hope you don't think that this is just like some plug, because I don't get paid jack. As always, fellas, ladies and gents, I'll smell you later. Peace. You sit down, you sit down.